Hey guys, today I'm going to show you the easiest way how to mirror iPhone screen to Mac. Let's get started. First, open the Launchpad and find the QuickTime player. Open it and click Cancel. Today we will not watch movies in QuickTime. Cancel, and after canceling, at the top bar we see the QuickTime player and its menu. Click on File and then New Movie Recording. It's a movie recording of a web camera, but if we connect the iPhone via the cable, USB cable, and then click on Angle, we see that we have an iPhone screen. Click on it and it's magic. We have an iPhone and we can use our iPhone and the phone screen will be mirrored. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for the watching, like, subscribe. Have a nice day, good luck, see you next time.